Okay, here's the plan. Because I have a wrong parts for this one, I highly recommend, if you overhaul this one, buy a genuine Subaru repair kit. Buy a genuine Subaru repair kit. The plan is, because today is Sunday, there's no Subaru is closed, so I will bring this one back together. I cannot replace this one because I have no seal. But when I check this one on the first place, the leak is on the middle here. Because you can see the seal is already flat. It's meant to be, it's a little bit curved like that. You see it's curved, but this one is flat already. So the most leaking part is on the middle here. So I try to find this one. I'm lucky, I found a big one seal. I found it here at the old my old gearbox thing, and I have a seal here also for the o-ring kit. So I found this one. We can replace this one, we can replace this one, and this one we can replace this one also, the small one, but we cannot I cannot replace this seal. But yeah, because if it's leaking, still leaking, I think next time I will overhaul that. I will replace this one with a genuine one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last.
Now I can see this one. I'm gonna remove this one first because there's a spring that's pushing that one. I think 24. No, it's 22. Yes, 22. There we go. There's still a seal there, and yeah, I can see the spring is moving. Yeah, there's a spring, and there's a seal there also. The one that's a little bit fragile on this one is the blade. See this one, a blade, the curved one, and there's a flat one. It's quite hard to see. The curved one is on the circle part, and the flat one is on the inner side. You can see there's a curve, like this one is a curve, is on the outside part, like this one here, on the outside part here, and the square edge, a little bit square, is on here, on the inner one. Okay, so you can remove all that one. See the curved one and the flat one. The flat one is on the inner one. This one more. This one, there's a pin here, and you can remove this one out. Spooky. Now there's a mark, that one the arrow, and this one there's a dot, so we will not be mistaken later if we can bring it back. Now we're gonna remove this snap ring. Now I can smell success after 30 minutes of frying this one. I can smell success now. It's already out of the groove. Speaking, this is the hard part. Okay, oh, good. Finally, the ring. Put it here. Okay. Finally. Now you can push this one now because it's already no pin already. We remove the pin, and voila, there you go. But for now I can bring it back because I have a kit for this one, I have a kit for that one also, so we're gonna put it back together. I already cleaned it up, and we can put it back together because I have a like I have a spare seal here. I already clean this one up, and put some power steering fluid. A little bit. Yep. Lubricate this one a little bit. We're not lucky that we don't replace this one, but I think it's okay. The main leaking, the strong leak is here at the middle of the pump, and we can now assemble. This one is spinning. Good. You can put this one first. Just don't put it on that one like this one, because this one has a hole, and we're gonna center that one there. I'm gonna lubricate this one first. Okay. There we go. There we go. And we can put this one back together. This one is, give me a sec. Put the shaft first. Shaft. Everything. This one's okay. Back the shaft. Lubricate this one first. Okay. Lubricate this one also, the old one. Just spin it. There you go. It's already in. It's already in. Now there's a hole there. Put that one there in the same hole. And this one, there's a mark. This one is on the top side because there's no mark at the back. There's a mark here. Dot mark. Oops, lubricate first. Okay, put this one. There we go. Actually, I did this one on Mitsubishi a couple of times, but Subaru, this is my first time for Subaru. But I think it's still the same principle. It's only a matter of removing the seal and the o-ring. I'm gonna put this one first, the white one. I thought I can drop it, but no. There you go. There you go. Now I can put this one back. There's a mark also, this one. Arrow. There's no arrow. Ah, there's still arrow at the back. So this is the one that I remove it. There's a dot also here, but this one is at the bottom. The dot one is at the bottom. Okay. Put this one back. Okay. Now we can bring back all the fence. We're gonna put this lock first. Put this lock first. This is the difficult one when I remove it, but hopefully it's easy to put it back. So we're gonna do it manually. There you go. There you go. Okay. Not so good. Now you can remove it already. Okay, we're good. We're good with the lock. We can put this one back together. This one, the flat surface, the curved one, the flat is on the inside one. This is the flat, this is the curve, this is the flat. This is the flat. Here's the curve. And the last one, this is the last one. The flat is on the middle. This is the flat side, so it's on the middle. Okay, good. Put some lubricate there. The lighting still there. Okay. Okay. And then we replace this one. This one I think is the same with this one. Yep. Take this one first, the old one. I'm gonna remove this one first, the little one. You see it's flat already. That's why it's leaking, because it's flat, and you can see it's like it's already worn. Okay, there you go. You see it's quite flat already. It's not like a seal, it's a flat one already. Not like this one, it's curved. This one is flat. Also this one, the big one, is flat also. Hopefully that's the one that's leak come from. And I have a seal here, small one. I think I can still use this one. No. Yeah. Okay, it's good. And this one here, yeah, it's good, it's good. And the big one, the important one, this is the one that's leaking. See, it's already flat. This one, there we go. Yep, I'm happy with that one. And there's a guide. You see there's a guide pin here. Oops, we're gonna replace this one first, so it will not move inside. We're gonna put this one back. Where's the hole? The hole. You can see the hole here. You spin it. There you go. There's the hole. No, not that one. A big hole. Oops. There's a lock there. I dropped the lock. That's good. That's good. When I spin this one, the lock drop, so the inside one will lock also. Okay, never knew that one. Where is that thingy? Where is that thingy, majiggy? Ah, yeah, here. There it is. That's the hole. You can put this one back. Replace this one. And this one. Okay, oh, it's a little bit bigger. This one's a little bit bigger. I have one here. There you go. No, it's bigger, smaller. This one. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay. Lubricate this one. Lubricate this one, and there's a hole. You see, there's a hole there inside. That's the one that's guide this one here. The spring, you can see the spring there. It's pushing. Okay. There you go. And this one, yeah, you're gonna, this one has a lock also at the bottom. It's meant to be, that's the height of that one. it will drop it if it's the lock, it's on its path, it will drop. So the one that's come out is only that little, like one path screw, that one. See, if it's longer, it means that the lock inside is not in, but now it's all in. Okay, drop there, and then it spin, and then we're good. This one, the seal is all good here. You have to replace it. All complete there, all complete there. Yep. Just lubricate this one, and you can see there's a, yeah, it's on the middle. This one is on the middle. There's a lock for that one also on this one. And you can drop this one all the way going down. Nothing there, nothing too fancy there, nothing. All good. And this one, o-ring here, and we're gonna replace also the o-ring here later. And that's it. We're gonna put this one back. All the fence is working, all the thing there complete. The mark is there, the mark of dot is there. This one, the mark is only one. The dot of this one is at the other side. Dot and arrow. Okay. Put this one back together. Yep, it will snap. Put the 4-bolt. Put the 4-bolt here. Yep, it's close already. Yep, already. Spin. Yeah, spin. Good. I think we're gonna replace this one also. This is the one that we never replaced, the seal. It's the only left. Nothing more there, nothing more there. 24. Yeah, that's the seal. That's only the check bulb. This is the seal here. I'm gonna replace this one also. Hopefully we have some seal for this one. That one, I think same with the this one. Yeah, same with the other one. Okay. This one is only the check bulb here. I think there's no seal for this one. Ouch. Yeah, no seal. Yeah, there's no seal for this one. So the check bulb. That's the only seal that we're gonna replace. And we're gonna put back. Tighten a little bit. Okay. Spins good. It's good. Yep. I think that's it. Only seal also here. I'm gonna replace the seal also here. This one. That seal here. That one. I think this one. No, I have this one here. I think this one's same with the repair kit. Yep, it's same with the repair kit. There you go. Lubricate a little bit. And then put this one back. Okay. That's it. Tight a little bit. Okay. I think we're done with this one. The other one. Nothing more. Nothing more. All good. Okay, guys, just put it on the reverse order again when you bring it back. Put the bracket, and I think that's it. That's it for this video. Hopefully you like it. and please hit like and subscribe if you like this video. And I will do a timing belt of this one also, maybe a couple of months or weeks. I will do a timing belt for the Subaru of this one, so just hit subscribe so you'll be notified if I do the timing belt video of this one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Oliver signing out.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna